need is 5 drops of the paracress oil. And it is also not only just going to treat the expression lines, but it's got all of those omegas that we want, omega-3, omega-6, omega-9, to help nourish our skin. And this is how we do it. Remember, I rubbed it in my hands in a little bit so that to help it become more fluid and to penetrate easier. Then you count to 10, first like this, and then another count to 10. And then once you're done, that's when you can make it work and go in and work like this. Okay. And then in another few minutes, not only you've already got that glow, works for every skin type, but as you can see, maybe from the beginning of the video to now, already these lines are starting to become less visible. And in 10 minutes, I'll come back and show you the actual effects. The only thing is, do not panic when you feel the tingling around your mouth, because the product is actually doing its job. Remember, I told you that Spilento has some anesthetic effects. And so one of the things people start to worry about, because when they feel the tingling around their mouth, they think that they're having some kind of reaction. It's no reaction. It is just the product doing its job. And look, already, girls, I don't know if you see it, but let me do a close-up. This is all less than 10 minutes time. Keep in mind that this is the type of kit that lets you put less makeup on, but you still look flawless.